Welcome back, teachers. In this video we will learn how we can create a Google Classroom using a smartphone. So it's an Android phone. So I'm just going to the Play Store and I'm looking for a search for Google Classroom. Here is the app which you have to install. Then you have to enter the email address with which you want to create this classroom. So here is there are three classes which I already created last year. So if you want to create a class over here, you can see a plus sign here. Just click on that. As a teacher, you will create a class and then you will enter the name of the class over here. And if I want to enter the section, I can do that. And then click on create. After creating the class, let's see how we can create an assignment in the phone itself. Stream is like whatever is posted will be presented over here, and classwork, if you have created some classwork, if you had given the classwork to your student, it will be displayed over here. Right now there is nothing, so if you want to create a classwork, just click on the plus sign again, and here you have different options to create assignment. You can post 10 alone question, then you can create the material, study material, and you can reuse the post which you have created. Means the post or any assignment that you have created earlier, you can reuse that as well. I just click on assignment and here I will give the title, instructions, you can write them over here. Then if you want to grade it, you can give the points, how many points, you can change them. And if you don't want to use any grades, if you don't want to give any marks, just keep it as unmarked. The same way in the desktop and laptop also. And then click on create. If you want to mention a due date by which the student should submit the work, you can mention that. And you can also mention the time if you want to. If you want to give it a topic, any topic, then you can create a topic and just click on save. Once you have done it, if you want to attach a file, then you click on this attach button and then you can attach any file from your Google Drive. You can also upload a file from your phone itself. For example, you have clicked some pictures from your phone, so you can upload those pictures from your phone. You can either take a photo as well, you can record a video, you can create a PDF as well. So let me take the file from my phone. I'll take some images, take some pictures. So this is how it will be uploaded. Now over here you can see that it has given I sign over here. It means what kind of document you want to give to your student. Here I have the three options. Student can view means it is a read only file. The student can view only. No changes can be done by the student. And the second one is student can edit. If you want them to do a group activity, then or as a class, as a whole class, you want them to post something on this assignment, you can give this, you can choose this option, student can edit. Next one is make a copy for each student. If you have given a Word file in which you want them to write the answers, so what you will do, you will choose this option. So what it is going to do, it will create a separate Word document for each student, and then they will be doing their work in their own document, in their own Word file. Right, so right now I just want them to view, so I'll select student can view. Once you are satisfied, you can click on this arrow, it will be assigned to your class. Okay, you can schedule it if you want to use it for future. You can use the option save draft. If you want to delete, you can delete that. If you want to assign it right now, you just click on this arrow button, it will be assigned to your class. Right now I'm just saving it as a draft. Now it's done. Over here now you can see that you have got one classwork over here with the name paint 1. If you want to make some changes, you can go to edit. If you want to delete, you can go to delete. You can use the delete option. Now here you can, if you click on the classes, you can see all your classes here. Here the people, right now I am all alone over here. If I want to add another teacher, I'll click on this plus sign and then I can type the email address of that particular teacher. This is how I will invite that teacher. The teacher is going to accept my request and will join my class. Now suppose if you want your student to join, what you will do, either you will enter the email address over here by clicking on the plus sign of student, but it is a little bit difficult, so I'll just tell you how you can do it. Just go to stream and here is your class. Click on this setting button and here are the details of your classroom. So either you share the code with them. So what they will do, they will also open Google Classroom either in their desktop or in their phone. They have to download the app, of course. They can enter this code and join your class. If you want to announce something to your class, you can write it over here. So I'll just click on this arrow. It will be broadcasted to them. Now over here you can change the settings. If you don't want the student to post on your Google Classroom, you can see only teacher can post and comment. If you want them to comment, then you can have this option, student can comment also, right? So this is all about Google Classroom using a phone. In the description I will also give how the student can join using a phone and how can they submit the work using the Google Classroom. I hope this video will help you to create your classroom and assignment using the phone, which is easily available and very handy. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like the video. If you have any problem, do write in the comment section.